Hello and welcome, and this is the Enthusiast, and today we are going to talk about Motorola Edge S. Meanwhile, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and become part of Big Tech family because I'm uploading daily tech videos, and also turn on the notifications, and goal for today's video is to reach 50 likes. So smash that like button, and with all that being said, let's continue with the topics. The Motorola Edge S is the world's first Snapdragon 870 smartphone, and it not only packs a punch in terms of performance, but it also tops it with a big battery capacity, a total of 6 cameras, and a starting price of 1,999 yen or $310 US. The Motorola Edge S doesn't have a curved display. The screen is flat and is home to a double hole punch for 2 front-facing cameras. However, the back of the phone is curved and is home to 4 cameras arranged in a fashion similar to a gas cooker. The phone has an NVCM coating and is available in 2 colors, Emerald Glaze and Emerald Light. The Motorola Edge S has a 6.7-inch LCD screen with a 90Hz refresh rate and a 21:9 aspect ratio. The screen resolution is 2520 by 1080 and it has PPI of 409, HDR10 and the DCI-P3 color gamut. The Snapdragon 870 processor brings an improvement in performance over its predecessors. Its CPU performance is said to be 12% higher than that of the Snapdragon 865, while GPU performance has increased by 10%. According to Motorola, the Edge S scores higher than the Mi 10 on Antutu benchmark. Its overall score on the benchmarking platform is 826 points as against the Mi 10's 585.232 points. That high score is not only due to the new processor, but is also a result of the turbo LPDDR5 RAM, which is 72% faster than the LPDDR4, and also the UFS 3.1 storage, which is 25% faster than UFS 3.0. The 4 cameras on the back of the phone include 64 megapixels f1.7 camera, a 60 megapixels ultra-wide angle camera that also doubles as a macro camera, a 2 megapixel depth camera for taking better portrait images, and a TOF camera that has a light ring around it. The selfie cameras are 60 megapixel sensor and 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera. The camera packs a number of features including a vlog mode, night mode, and can also record 6K video at 30 fps, 4K video at 60 fps. The phone also has audio zoom, so you can get closer to source of a sound when recording, just as you would zoom in with a camera to get closer to your object. The Motorola Edge S doesn't come with ZUI, but a new user interface called MyUI. That is based on Android 11. Motorola says it's lighter and is more efficient. It has its own assistant called Moto AI. Some of the features it has include a desktop mode, object recognition, a split screen feature that can be activated easily by swiping the side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Motorola's famous gestures are not gone, so you can still activate silent mode by doing triple chop, turn on and off flash with a double chop, and quickly enter the camera app with a quick flick of your wrist twice. Powering the whole device is 5000 mAh battery, which can be recharged using a 20 watts wire charger. No fast wired or even wireless charging is definitely one of the big compromises here, but that's what we expect given the low price. Fortunately, the 3.5mm headphone jack was not cut from the device. Also, for those of you who like physical fingerprint scanners, you'll be happy to know there's a side-mounted scanner. It also has an IP52 rating, dual SIM support, Bluetooth 5.1 and dual frequency GPS. The Motorola Edge S comes in 3 configurations, and here are their prices. The phone is already available for pre-order in China. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and become part of Big Tech family. Turn on notifications, and goal for today's video is to reach 50 likes. So smash that like button and comment down below what is your opinion on today's topics. And with all that being said, I see you all in the next video. Peace.